What's up guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I will show you how to delete Pocket Option account. So, you might be wondering how to exactly delete your Pocket Option account. Well, this one is very easy. So, the first thing that you want to do here is you want to access your account. So, go to pocketoption.com, log in into your account. Now, from here, we need to access our profile. Now, there are two ways to access your profile. So, at the top right of the screen, you should see your profile icon. Go ahead and click on it, and you should be able to see the profile option here. Now, alternatively, you could also access the profile action or tab here or page by clicking on the profile icon that you see at the left side here on the left panel. So go ahead and click on it. Now, what you need to do is just choose profile. Now, underneath profile, what we need to do is we need to go to the very bottom here until you see delete account option. So go ahead and click on it. Now, it's going to ask you the reason why you want to delete your account. So go ahead and choose the appropriate one here. And from then on, you can go ahead and click on confirm if you want to close your account. Now, in this case, you will be able to automatically score your account within 30 days, just in case you change your mind. But after 30 days, your account will be permanently deleted. And in this case, that's about it. So, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like or maybe subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.